Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be fixing Miley Cyrus makeup look. I actually did film on Monday a tutorial, fix my makeup look tutorial, but unfortunately today in the morning, there was the most gorgeous sun outside, and I guess it probably hit me really hard in my head because I deleted the footage. So I was left with the final result, but I deleted the footage where I was filming the process. That's why I have to refilm it, and you can see my option number 2 right now. I really love it, and I love the combination of colors even more than the previous video. And in case you're interested, today we're going to be doing this with a voiceover because yeah, I have a lot of things to do and I did not expect deleted footage at all. And let's get started.
I'll start with my NYX primer, place it all over my lids, and then with my finger blend out. To set my lid, I'm using Sample Beauty in this very beautiful white shade. In the outer corner, I'm placing green eyeshadows, and believe it or not, it's really important to keep the structure. I don't really want to have any fallouts in my foundation, that's why I used protector as my paper. But in case you're wondering, you can skip it because Simple Beauty doesn't really have a lot of fallouts, but just in case, I keep it. To blend out but not add an additional color, I used nude over my crease, but I needed a little bit more blending in the outer corner because the line that I created was super sharp and crazy looking. And then in the inner corner, I used vibrant yellow shade that I'm showing you right now from the palette, and on top I used gold. I feel like gold eyeshadows, they're always better with yellow underneath because they're gonna give a pop of shade to make sure that it's outstanding. As for waterline, I used Sephora navy blue shade, and then underneath for the lower lid, used plum eyeshadows from the same Simple Beauty color. As for blending, I went for a little bit lighter color with a mix of nude and try to keep it really close to the plum shade so it's not getting everywhere. And as my black line, I went for Makeup Forever matte liner, but unfortunately the applicator is so bad, that's why I had to replace it with the applicator from Catrice liner and grab some product from one liner to grab it with another applicator from a little bit different product, if it makes any sense. But unfortunately my line turned out to be the worst. That's why I try to make sure that it wasn't that thick, and I wanted to bring this a little bit higher. A great trick is to use some shimmers underneath so you can kind of shape the line in a desirable position, let's say. I wanted to make sure that my line was with a little bit more color on top with green, and that's why I used this a little bit more and then try to blend out and then pop more color, then blend it out, just going back and forth between two shades. Then I coated my lashes with Essence mascara. And then, of course, as my lips, today I wanted to avoid Catrice lipstick and used only Eveline really pretty nude orangey shade. And you can compare yourself, which look do you like the most. It's like fixing my makeup look from Monday and fixing my makeup look from today, where green is on top and purple on the bottom, and vice versa on Monday.
Okay guys, and this is the final result. I'm so sorry for showing you this with a voiceover. You know what? I feel like this interpretation is even better than the previous one. If you really want to check out the version and option that I showed you, fixing Miley Cyrus makeup look that I did on Monday, then you can check out my shorts that I filmed this Monday and uploaded this Monday. You can compare and tell me which option is your favorite. And this is it. It was fun to recreate another Fix My Makeup look from Miley Cyrus, option 2, version 2. And I'm going to see you next time, hopefully. Bye-bye.